Chapter 1. The Big Red Button. Timmy Monkey sat on his leaf-shaped couch scrolling through his jungle phone. No messages, no bananas in the fridge. He opened his bank app. Balance 0.00. Even the app sighed. Ugh. I worked so hard doing nothing, still broke. Then an ad popped up. Meet the monkey who became a millionaire with this secret method. Big red button. Make money online. Timmy blinked, shrugged. I mean, what could possibly go wrong? He hit the button. Lights flashed. Tribal drums played. A lizard in a tie appeared for some reason. And just like that, Timmy bought a course. Chapter 2. The Magical Money-Making Course. The course title, Banana Empire. Make money online without moving your tail. It had 5 mysterious modules. Answer surveys and become emotionally drained. Sell weird photos to even weirder people. Revive your dead YouTube channel. Teach online. Even if no one shows up, stream video games to no one until a miracle happens. Timmy clapped his little hands. This is it, my path to wealth, to freedom, to premium smoothies. He got to work. Let's just say, dreams are like coconuts, full of surprises, and sometimes they hit you on the head. Chapter 3. Survey Monkey Lesson. 1. Answer surveys and become financially free. Eventually, maybe, not really. Timmy sat at his leaf desk and opened the first survey. What type of lettuce matches your personality? Do you trust frogs with hats? Answers: romaine, only on weekends. After 87 questions and 1 jungle shampoo ad, Timmy earned 0.12. Not even enough for a dried banana chip. He stared at the screen. The screen stared back, both disappointed. Okay, maybe the next module is the real gold mine. Chapter 4. The Feet Photo Fiasco Lesson. 2. Sell rare photos to strange people online. Timmy read, monkeys are cashing in with foot pics. He looked at his feet, hairy, wobbly, slightly dusty. Perfect. He uploaded to Jungle Feet for You. Left foot in morning light. Right foot in existential crisis. Foot in coconut bowl. Limited edition. No buyers. So he got creative. Tail with mystery energy. Somehow, he made $3.00. Wait, someone paid for that? He smiled. Bless you, mysterious foot enthusiast. Chapter 5. Rise of the YouTube Channel Lesson. 3. Revive your channel. Make content. Get rich. In views. Maybe. Timmy remembered his old channel. TimmyTube, Monkey Business, and Banana Reviews. He made 35 videos in 3 days. Day in the life of a broke monkey. How to peel a banana without crying unboxing. Air. No box included. After all that, 0.02. Then, 1 comment, you make me laugh, monkey man. He clutched his chest. Fame is priceless. Chapter 6. Masterclass in Nothingness. Lesson 4. Teach online, even if nobody shows up. Timmy launched a Zoom course. How not to fall from trees. A practical guide. No students. Still, he taught. Welcome, students. Today we'll cover 3 main types of embarrassing falls. He lectured for 45 minutes to no one, but ended with pride. Thank you, I believe in all of you. Somewhere, a squirrel applauded. Chapter 7. Streaming for Glory and 1 banana. 5. Play games online, build a fan base, profit. Timmy became Banana Boss 92. He streamed for 5 days. Donkey Kong Jungle Card Angry Lemurs 3. 0 viewers. Except once, his cousin clicked the link and immediately left. Then, day 6, an orangutan raided with 4 followers. Chat exploded. Woo! Go monkey go! Banana time-y! Timmy cried. Someone even donated 1 banana. Final thoughts. Timmy didn't get rich, but he earned a few coins, a comment, 1 banana, and a bit of pride. Sometimes you win, sometimes you stream to no one, but trying? That's priceless. Monkey smart. Monkey hustle. Monkey embrace chaos with a smile. Not financial advice, just jungle wisdom.